So this is a 3 kW Onan, regularly serviced, and I am going to be replacing it. I've gone through, it's got a really nice sound shield on it. It's all been painted now. You'll see the photos of it. But it is running, with the exception of my stop solenoid, which they're out there. I can find this, but I'm not interested in replacing another part on it. A couple modifications have been done to it. It has a remote water pump, works great. I'm going to show you it runs. I'm going to probably have to put my phone down and see how this works. So as I explained, the solenoid isn't any good, at least it doesn't appear to be any good. It tests continuity fine, but it doesn't seem to want to work. There are two 12-volt leads that activate upon ignition and upon reaching proper oil pressure. The ignition one, and then back here is the safety that runs the loop through the engine to shut it down in case of high temp, low oil. And both have 12-volt output on them. So I have a bad solenoid. Can't seem to find these anymore, so I don't think I'm going to bother trying to find one. I can have this rebuilt for 80 bucks, but I'm done. So I will show you the generator does work. I have to release the compression manually. And you probably see the glow plug start to light up there. Does it spin up and then I release it.